Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Artwork Fly. Today I will be showing you how I retwist my hair. I already did a live on it, but the quality was not good. I don't know why. But I left it up just in case you want to listen. So right now I just completed washing my hair. Now I'm really showing you what I use in my hair. So in that pan there I keep my elastic band. That was a wax container. In here I have my scrunchies, so I keep it. Elastic bands actually came in that, and I kept it and put my scrunchies and my beads and my ear pins in. Right now my hair is wet. As I said, I just washed it. That right there is castor oil mixed with the blue magic Indian hemp. That right there is aloe vera gel, and this is aloe vera spray. So gel and spray, aloe vera gel and spray. And I still have my water just in case I feel like a little dry spot is in my hair. I would add the water, and I keep everything in that white container there. It keeps it very organized and easy access. I can just take it up and bring it anywhere. So I'm showing you how my hair is, and for those who are new to the channel, my hair is actually waist length. So I'm actually showing you in this video how I achieve, retain and maintain my hair to reach to this length. Now if you have been following and watching the different hair videos, this is now my new thing where I'm going to use aloe vera spray and gel instead of the water to wet my hair. But if I feel a little dry spot, I would add the water, then the aloe vera spray. So far I'm not sure if it has been doing much, but I do not have any problems with it any at all. Neither the wax or the gel, I don't have any problems with them. I will continue to use them until they're empty to see the difference between using them and not using them. Whenever you're using hair products, ensure to treat your ends also, not just your roots but your ends, so you can literally bring the product down to the end of your hair and ensure that it gets a good amount of the product that you're using. Okay, so what I did, or what I'm doing now, is to catch my hair up so I can deal with each twist one by one. So the back of my hair is catched up and the side is catched up. Now usually I do start with the back of my hair, but since I'm only going to show you a part of how I do my hair, I start with the front so you guys can see it on camera. So that is why I'm starting with the front. So this is the first twist that I'm going to do, and there you go. I pop the elastic band and I make sure to take my time and detangle the hair strand. So when you see me going over like that, I'm actually finger detangling my hair, and I do the same thing to add the blue magic. And I carefully detangle my ends and also moisturize. So what I'm doing is actually saving the strands of hair so you guys can see how much came out. Her elegance a storm in human form. In the mirror she sees more than just a face. So guys, I mentioned in one of the hair videos that the front and the back part of my hair is actually shorter than the middle. Reason being, I was not taking care of my hair, and when I usually wear the braids and stuff, the front and the back part usually get a lot of tension, so those part of my hair was breaking off, falling off, etc, etc. So the back and front is actually shorter than the middle part. Alright guys, so my hair is actually in layers naturally. She turns heads in awe, captivated by the grace they saw. With every glance she breaks the norm, her elegance a storm in human form.
In the mirror, she sees more than just a...
At the end of this twist, there was a knot, and it took me about 10 minutes according to this video to detangle that section of the twist. So I took my time and carefully pull it out. I try to always preserve the ends of my hair.
Or in the daylight. Or in the daylight.
In the first ear video, I mentioned that my hair was getting a bit dry, so I did not know whether it was the Design Essential shampoo or it was the summer heat, but I can safely say that I'm kind of feeling like the hair is coming back to normal. I think I need to steam it a bit more. I'm getting that soft silky texture once more. The texture that is coming back could also be a result of the aloe vera spray and gel, so I'm not even sure at this point, but stay tuned because I will be using the Design Essential shampoo once more. Then I will give you guys an update. Okay guys?
Oh, her hair tells a tale of heritage and strength that never fails. Black as the night, just as bright, a vision of power in the daylight. Oh, the city streets, she turns head.
Okay, so this one is the last one that I'm going to do for you on camera. So basically that is what I do, and I do that throughout my whole head of hair. Okay guys, I carefully moisturize the roots and I take my time with the ends. I moisturize the ends also, and when I say moisturize, I add my products to it. So the aloe vera spray and the aloe vera gel plus the blue magic with the castor oil, those are very good products to use, and I take my time. I detangle, I finger detangle. As you can see in the videos here, I take my time and I go through. So that is what I do throughout the whole head of hair. Now to preserve it, you would have to watch to the end of this video to see what I do, and ensure that you pop the elastic band. Usually I would just pull it out, not minding my hair or anything like that. But as I said in one of my videos, I'm now going to start my hair journey and try to grow my hair a bit longer, guys. So I'm going to take my time to do things. I'm going to finger detangle. I'm going to get some good products from my hair and try to take care of my hair a bit better. Recently haven't been wearing my headscarf to protect my hair, but I'm gonna start to do that more and moisturize a bit more. Okay guys, and the softness of my hair is coming back. It's not as dry anymore, but I think I'm gonna buy the olive oil mayonnaise to steam it once more and see if that helps to just finalize it, and then I would get back my soft silky. So stay tuned for that update guys. So watch throughout the end of the video. You guys will see how much hair came out and what I do to preserve the ends of my hair. Okay guys, stay tuned.
A testament beneath the radiant sun. Oh, her hair tells a tale of heritage and strength that never fails. Black as the night, just as bright, a vision of power in the daylight. Or in the daylight.
So I'm showing you right now how much hair came out after that style, and there it is a bit closer. Tell me if that is too much or I shouldn't be losing so much hair. You can comment down below and let me know. So now I'm going to put it in my famous bun. So sometimes I put it at the top, sometimes I put it in the middle, and sometimes I put it at the back. So that is what I do to preserve the ends of my hair. I wrap it up in a bun. It's very rare that I let my hair loose. Since recently I've been rocking it loose because I just like how it's flowing nicely. But I'm going to start wrap it back up again. It free paper bun up. It is now 1:48 and I'm still doing my hair. So now I'm wrapping it up. So that is how I wrap my hair up, guys. Simple and easy. And there you go, guys, my finished product. And this hairstyle will last me for 1 week.
Through the city streets she turns heads in awe, captivated by the grace they saw. With every glance she breaks the norm, her elegance a storm in human form. In the mirror she sees more.
Bye, guys, and thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.